iPhone XR has a display and no touch. You see the display, the screen is flickering. I will shut it down, press the power button. There's nothing happening on the screen. So let's open up and start the repair. And let me shift this one here so you see everything. This is the display connector. So, as I said before, as I said earlier on fixing any iPhone display, if you have issue with the display, first of all you need to check the connector on the screen. That's this. So you see all the connectors, what is running so perfectly okay, except for this place. There's missing components at that particular slot. So let's check for the component that is missing here. As you see, that would be this one here. As I was saying before, looking at the board view, you see that the place that had the missing components down here, there's a resistor that connects from here to here, and it's a 5-volt resistor. And if you check, oh sorry, this is why I'm not sure it's ready. It's a 5-volt resistor. So from each pin, from this pin, this one to this one, there's a connection for both of them, and also reconnect that particular component that is missing, then test the display before we check for the touch. This is a resistor. What I'll do instead of reconnecting this missing part, I'll just have to run the jumper in between the two missing components. That's from one pin to the other. So we take our solar paste.